Okay, the bobber's in the way, guys. I can't move. What do you got?
Get a piece of worm go. Off of there.
Woo! Oh, put it closer to you.
Here, Granny.
Reel him in, you got one!
I don't think so.
No?
It's called worm bedding. No, put them in there. I got one. I'll give Sissy the other half of your worm.
That's the black
Yeah, you have Yeah, I have a couple fishing poles. I didn't bring one with me though. I guess I should have and worked a frog or something through those lily pads over there.
Did you lose him?
Yeah.
That time it was seaweed. Oh, I think he took the whole freaking worm.
It's probably the female, because some are drakes.
Probably.
Oops! Somebody fell. Landed on their butt feathers.
As you were swinging it.
Reel it! Reel it!
I got it going.
Reel it! Keep reeling! Keep reeling! Keep reeling! He's gonna break water! There you go! He's jumping! Reel him in! Reel! Reel!
He's just holding it.
Reel, reel.
Reel! Keep reeling! Reel him up! Step up here just a little
Get
bit.
up out of the water.
Okay, reel! 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 Reel!
Go, Liam, go!
Alright, pick him up. Reel up! Reel up!
Whoa!
Oh, reel your pole in some more.
That's a big one, Liam. Hold him up there.
Liam, reel your pole in some more, Liam.
Reel,
Reel.
wind it up.
Reel.
Wind it.
up.
Tell him wind.
Okay, wind it up. Wind it up.
Got him. Ooh, hang on,
Okay? Oh, Grammy's still taking a break.
hang on. Hang on.
You know how to hold them?
He picks up bullheads.
I was gonna say, he picks up bullheads out of buckets.
Mouth.
Huh? The worm is in his mouth, yeah.
Could
Oh,
that be
yeah,
like
she's
her
probably,
first,
yeah.
her
Unless she
first
snuck
one
up
and then her
along the
second
bank.
one?
I would say, unless there's another mother somewhere.
No, she didn't come across in front of us.
There's quite a bunch there.
You want to fish more or what?
They're walleye bait.
Probably
One of
Liam.
those.
Nice, Mother. I have that on recording now.
Fight.